Hello friends, here we start with ecofeminism. What is ecofeminism? Again, I'll start with the anthropocentrism. Anthropocentrism was your human-centric approach, biocentrism, life-centric approach, ecocentrism, nature-centric approach, and ecofeminism, yes, eco means environment and feminism means female. यहाँ पे जो कनेक्शन है वो किसका क्या कनेक्शन है, यहाँ पे लिंक दे रहे हैं women and nature together. They are comparing women and nature together. So it describes movement and philosophy that link feminism with ecology. The term is coined by the French writer Francois de. Ecofeminists do not seek equality with men as such, but aim for liberation of women as women. So ecofeminism क्या है? हमें इक्वालिटी नहीं चाहिए मेन के साथ, लेकिन मेरा एम क्या है हमारा? लिबरेशन ऑफ वुमेन एज वुमेन, एटलीस्ट वुमेन टू बी कंसीडर्ड एज वुमेन. सो वंदना शिवा, द एडवोकेट ऑफ इकोफेमिनिज्म, क्लेम्स दैट women have a special connection to the environment through their daily interaction with it that has been ignored. Yes, women have a daily connection with the environment. If I talk about the Chipko movement, yes, it was started by the women, that is hugging the trees and saving them, protecting the trees. Yes, so there is some connection between the women and the nature. So here it is ecofeminism, that is where there is a comparison between nature and a women. So arguments in favor: in most parts of the world, environmental problem disproportionately affects women. Women have cultural and symbolic connection with nature through characterization of Mother Earth. Yes, even Earth is called as a Mother Earth. Women are in a better position to respond to environmental threats because of its actual and constructed linkage between them. There is something very special about the nature and women that they connect so easily. Some of the arguments in favor of ecofeminism are, some of the arguments, that is women and nature. Women and nature का argument क्या है यहाँ in favor? That like women are treated as inferior to men, nature is treated as inferior to culture. Yes, men they dominate the women and culture dominates the nature. Yes, for us culture is very important, not the nature is important. For example, if it's a Ganpati Visarjan, we just do the Visarjan instead of just protecting our environment, we keep on degrading our environment in the name of culture. So ecofeminism analysis reveals that it's not only women who portray as being closer to nature. Oppressed races and social classes have also been closely associated with nature. So that is women and nature. Patriarchal dualism. What is patriarchal dualism? Patriarchal means male dominating society. Yes, यहाँ पे ये patriarchal thinking क्या है? Male domination, where the women are treated inferior to men. Culture is treated inferior to nature. So यहाँ पे divide किया गया है. Mind is split from body, spirit from matter, male from female, culture from nature. One concept is in each pair is deemed superior to other. Mind is superior than body, spirit superior than matter, male superior than female, culture superior than nature. A balanced person where there is a support from both the side. Female qualities क्या है? Cooperation है, nurturing है, being supportive है, non-violent है, and sensual है. Whereas male qualities क्या है? Competitiveness, individuality, assertiveness, leadership and intellectuality. ये दोनों को balance करके चलना है, ना कोई ज्यादा ना कोई कम. So ये balanced हो जाएगा. The self and the other. So self means I, the other means you. When this concept comes amongst the male and a female, that is male, men, ecofeminists argue that men tend to be viewed the world in terms of a self-contained self and a separate other. Means self, I am everything, and other, that is women or the nature is comes under other. So this implies that the natural world is simply a mechanical system that humans can exploit either the women or the nature. Because women are also viewed as others, they are also manipulated and controlled. So against, some says that all oppression cannot be simply related to nature. It also focuses on mystical connection between women and nature and not with the actual condition of the women. So there are people who are against ecofeminism. They say this is not every time possible, that women are inferior to male or the nature are inferior to culture. Thank you. Keep watching our upcoming session.